Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello and welcome to a quick guide on crafting delicious Sapporo Ichiban ramen. In this video, I will show you how to cook Sapporo Ichiban. First, let us make sure you have all the essentials ready. Grab a medium-sized pot, your Sapporo Ichiban packet, and about 2.5 cups of water. Having your favorite optional toppings, like a soft-boiled egg or some chopped scallions, nearby will also make the process smoother, creating a truly satisfying meal. Accuracy is key when it comes to the water, ensuring your ramen has the best texture and flavor. Measure exactly 2.5 cups of water into your chosen pot. Now, set that pot onto your stovetop and turn the heat to high. We want to achieve a vigorous, rolling boil before the noodles even touch the water, signaling that it is hot enough to cook them quickly and evenly. With your water at a robust boil, it is time for the star of the show. Carefully place the dried noodle block into the bubbling water. For that perfect, springy texture, set a timer for exactly 3 minutes. You will want to stir the noodles occasionally with chopsticks or a fork. This simple action helps them separate and cook evenly, preventing any clumping and ensuring every strand is perfectly prepared. As soon as your 3 minutes are up, immediately turn off the heat. This stops the cooking process at the ideal moment. Now, open that precious seasoning packet and pour its contents right into the pot with your cooked noodles and hot water. Stir everything thoroughly with your utensil, ensuring the seasoning dissolves completely and coats every single strand of delicious ramen. This step is crucial for achieving that authentic Sapporo Ichiban taste. Now comes the satisfying part, serving up your culinary creation. Carefully pour the hot ramen from the pot into your favorite serving bowl, being mindful of the steam. This is the ideal moment to add any extra toppings you prepared, like a beautifully soft-boiled egg, some vibrant green onions, or even a dash of chili oil for an extra kick. Take a moment to appreciate your effort, and then simply enjoy your perfectly cooked, comforting bowl of Sapporo Ichiban.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.